Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am MD Abdul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Friday, so happy Friday from Bangladesh. Today is Friday 3 December 2021. Now morning time, this Friday morning I am visiting a garden. You can see behind my back garden area. Friends, this Friday morning I visiting this garden and I saw here is a some polluted garbage and plastic. So now I collected that polluted garbage and plastic and that garbage threw in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে শুক্রবার সকালে একটি বাগানে এসেছি। বাগানে আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা ও প্লাস্টিক দেখতে পেয়েছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা, পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this garden area I walked here and I saw here is some polluted garbage and plastic. First I saw a big plastic here. Friends, a big plastic. Friends, I collected this plastic. Friends, this plastic really bad for our garden, our environment. Another plastic here. Another plastic. একটি প্লাস্টিক মাটির নিচে আটকে আছে, stuck in soil. Friends, this plastic really bad for our garden, our nature, our environment. So I always try to collect polluted plastic from garden, from nature. Friends, stock this garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. Another plastic here. Another মাটির নিচে আটকে আছে প্লাস্টিক, স্টাক ইন সয়েলস। মাটির নিচে আটকে ছিল প্লাস্টিক, আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। অ্যানাদার প্লাস্টিক হেয়ার, যা মাটির নিচে আটকে আছে। Friends, here is a many plastic. Another one. Another plastic. Unused plastic product here. Another plastic here. I collected this unused product and plastic bag. Another plastic here. Another one. Another plastic. Old plastic. These are really very bad. Another plastic. Many plastic bottle. Another plastic garbage. Another one. Stuck in soil, মাটির নিচে আটকে আছে এই প্লাস্টিকটি। আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম এখান থেকে। Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. I collected many garbage and plastic bottle, etc. from garden. Friends, and a bag in my hand, all garbage thrown in bag. Let's go, friends. Friends, this plastic really bad for our nature, our environment, our people, our children. So let's try to collect polluted plastic, polluted garbage from nature, from garden, from road, from public place. Friends, let's all save our nature, our garden, our environment, our green nature, our soils. Friends, this plastic really bad for our nature, our children, our people. I collected many plastic or garbage from this garden. আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আমি অনেকগুলো আবর্জনা সংগ্রহ করেছি এখান থেকে। This product really very bad. Big plastic. Friends, complete all garbage here. This bag. একটা প্রায় ভরে এসেছে বড় ব্যাগ। Now stop this bag. Friends, stop this bag. Now this garbage bag in dustbin. Let's go, friend. Friends, this our dustbin. This garbage bag in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend, and this was my nature cleaning mission in Friday morning.